Did you know that Europe's most educated doctors once prescribed powdered human skull as medicine? Not peasants, not witches, physicians, with degrees, serving kings and queens. For centuries, European nobles paid good money to drink fresh blood, swallow ground skull, and rub human fat on their wounds. It was sold in pharmacies, documented in medical textbooks, delivered to royal households. And the same doctors doing this looked down on village healers for being superstitious. They called it science. They called it progress. They were eating people, and they never once questioned it.